Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be creating 2 DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so I'm absolutely loving this beehive wood cutout, and we're going to go ahead and start coloring this in yellow and black. Alright, so in this video today we have a collaboration called Craft Your Stash. The theme is He is Risen. So let me tell you who the hosts are. We have Sunflower Tasha DIYs, and we also have Joanne's DIY Life. The guest is the busy housewife. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. All right, so we're going to paint in black and in yellow, and I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end of the painting. Now I'm really liking the shape of the beehive with the bees. It's a really nice size. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this paint away and I'll be right back. All right, so I moved that wood piece over to the side so it can dry, and we're not gonna waste any time. So I also had this leftover buffalo check ribbon. It is on the small side, so we're gonna make a small bow because we don't let anything go to waste. Okay, so I went ahead and put this bow over to the side. I brought back the wooden piece of the beehive, and I also brought back a small little heart, and I wrote on it, "He is risen." Okay, because there's nothing that is so much love than He is risen. So I went ahead and hand wrote that, and now I'm gonna kind of just like dry brush some of that chestnut paint from Apple Barrel. Okay, so that chestnut, because I was dry brushing, is already dry. And look how pretty that looks. It says He is risen. So I found the smaller version of the buffalo check ribbon, and we're just going to go ahead and place that right there on the heart, and then use the other bow that we made to go ahead and hot glue it over on the other one. Now before I go ahead and put the bow on it, I'm putting some jute twine here as a hanger, and then we'll turn it around and add the bow. Now this looks pretty ready. I just let that hot glue dry. We're gonna turn it around, and then we're gonna add that buffalo check bow. Okay, so we're pretty much done with these two pieces here. I'm gonna go ahead and take you over to the reveal of these two, and then we're gonna head on over to the second project. Right, so the Dollar Tree's carrying this cute little truck with the bunnies in the back. So we're gonna go ahead and paint this, and then we're going to embellish. We are gonna be using some of the iridescent glitter, and then we're gonna go ahead and add this thankful sign. So I'll leave you to some music again, and I'll be in and out of the video. right, so normally what I do is if I'm adding glitter or even if I'm adding one of the window clings, I usually add it while the paint is still wet, and then I go back and still seal it in with Mod Podge. I am going to be using the nautical rope, and of course you see the faux thankful sign, and that came from a pack from the fall, so I save everything. Now I'm loving the theme He is Risen because we have so much to be thankful for, so I thought this was a really good thing to add to this video. Right, so I went ahead and I added some more paint, as you can see, over to those bunnies in blue, and then I added the iridescent glitter, and this made it look really pretty. I just went ahead and glued the thankful sign and added a twine bow, or I should say a nautical rope bow, and this is pretty much done. Simple sometimes is better. Alright, so let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.